Hi, my name is Corey Brown, and this is my presentation on gifts for students or staff from a district, and this is for the EDL 554 class. First of all, there are several different kinds of gifts. The first section, according to the text, was gifts to students. There are several different kinds of gifts that could be given to students. The first one was fundraising incentive gifts, and another one was special achievement gifts. On the fundraising incentive gifts, those gifts typically are part of a fundraising incentive, and they should be given only to students who participated in the fundraising event. The text did stress to make sure that the prize is age appropriate and does not affect the overall profitability of the event. Another one would be incentive gifts for students should be purchased with funds raised by the particular student group that will receive the gifts. And another stipulation was that gifts are not related to fundraising, should not favor one group of students over another. Gifts to staff members is another section of gifts, and those should be coordinated by a committee, not an individual staff member. Those typically are special occasion gifts or fundraising incentive gifts, and there was a third bracket, and those would be all staff gifts. In regards to the special occasion gifts, those are typically paid for from a remembrance fund, and typically the staff members would support that or repopulate the funds of that with their annual dues. Typically that is managed by a committee, and the committee should meet at least annually to review the guidelines. Some fundraising incentive gifts, some examples of that would be a reward for the highest fundraiser if there was a staff that was raising funds for something, and a guideline for that was to make sure to keep the cost reasonable. All staff gifts, those typically include token gifts at the beginning of the year, typically given by the superintendent or a principal to all of the staff members, or gifts given during Teacher Appreciation Day. Typically those are purchased through special funds donated by the PTA or raised by teachers at a specific fundraising event. Resources are from School Money Matters. Thank you for your time and have a great day.